Water is one of the most essential resources for all forms of life on Earth. It is a fundamental component of our ecosystem, playing a critical role in the survival and sustenance of all living beings. Without water, life as we know it would be impossible. In this article, we will imagine what would happen if there is no water for 6 hours. Firstly, it is important to understand that water is necessary for the survival of all organisms, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals. Humans, for instance, require water for a variety of physiological functions, including digestion, regulation of body temperature, and circulation. Without access to water for just 6 hours, the human body would quickly become dehydrated, leading to a host of health problems, including dizziness, confusion, and even death in some cases. Animals would also be severely affected by a lack of water, with many species unable to survive for more than a few hours without access to this critical resource. Plants, which rely on water to transport nutrients and support their structures, would also wilt and die without access to water. Furthermore, water plays a critical role in many environmental processes, including weather patterns and the water cycle. Without water, the weather would quickly become unpredictable and potentially dangerous, with the absence of rain leading to droughts and other extreme weather events. Additionally, the water cycle, which is responsible for the distribution of water across the planet, would be disrupted, potentially leading to long-term environmental consequences. The absence of water would also have a significant impact on industries that rely on this resource, including agriculture and manufacturing. Without water for just 6 hours, crops would begin to wither and die, leading to potential food shortages and economic instability. Manufacturing processes that rely on water, such as the production of energy or textiles, would also be severely affected, potentially leading to supply chain disruptions and other economic consequences. Finally, it is worth noting that the absence of water for even a short period of time would have a significant psychological impact on humans. Water is a fundamental component of our daily lives, and the absence of this resource would be deeply unsettling for many people, potentially leading to panic and social unrest. In conclusion, the absence of water for just 6 hours would have far-reaching and devastating consequences for all forms of life on Earth. It highlights the critical importance of water as a resource and the need to conserve and manage this precious resource carefully. By taking steps to protect and preserve our water resources, we can ensure the continued survival and well-being of all living beings on this planet.